All right. So next video we have is we're going to talk about geometric sequence and series. All right. So I'm going to do a geometric sequence, and then I'll have another video to show you how to do a geometric series. All right. So the difference between geometric and arithmetic. Arithmetic is add and subtract. Geometric is multiplication and division. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to find out what the difference is, or what can be multiplied together to give you from 4 to -8, from -8 to 16, and 16 to give us -32. So what values do we multiply to get to that, or what values do we divide by to get to that? Okay? So I'm going to show you a technique to find out what that value is. Sometimes you can just see it. Obviously, looking at this, you can see that if I multiply by 4 times -2, I'm going to get -8. If I multiply -8 times 2, -2, I'm going to get +16, and et cetera, et cetera. So we know what the common ratio is. But if you don't know what that is, what you want to do is you take the second value in the equation, -8, and you put it over 4, which is the first value. Then you're going to divide both of them together, or you can reduce the fraction. So at that point, you know that you're going to get -2 over 1, which is -2. Okay, so that would be the common ratio. Again, second number divided by the first number. All right, so that would be the common ratio. All right, so the question is, though, what is the 11th number in the sequence? How am I going to find that information, and what is the formula to help me find that information? Okay, so there is an actual equation that we work with when we come to geometric sequence, similar to what we did at arithmetic. But the only difference is there's only one formula that you can use. Okay, there's not different techniques that you can get the information from. So the formula to get a geometric sequence is geometric sequence is the formula. For your notes, make sure that you have this formula. Okay, is a sub 1, or the first number in the series, okay, times the common ratio, the CR. I call it the common ratio. Okay, and then you're going to take it to the power of n minus 1. So we talked about what the n means. The n means the number in the sequence that we're looking to find. Okay, so it'll be n minus 1. Why is it n minus 1? Because of the fact is we're multiplying by the first number in the sequence. So if we multiply by the first number in the sequence, and then we just took an n, we're actually going to be getting the 12th number in the sequence. So we want to make sure we go 1 back, and so that's why we do n minus 1 to get the actual value that we're looking for. So all we have to do at that point is plug in the information, and then we can solve and we get the answer. Okay? So let me do that right now. So it would be 4. Okay? Common ratio is -2. Okay? And the C minus 1 is, it'll make it 10. Okay? Because again, we said that 11 is our ratio here, and we minus 1, and that gives us 10. So, if you want to pull out your calculator, which I'll do right now, and I'll do that, I forgot to do that right now, so I'll pull it out, and I'll get this going. So, if you don't know what PEMDAS, which you should do first in PEMDAS while I'm doing this, okay, you want to do this first. So you want to do 2 to the power of 10, and then you want to multiply by 4. Okay, so 2 to the power of 10 will give us, that will give us 4 times 1,024. Okay, now if I multiply that by 4, I'm going to get this number of 4,096. Okay? So that would be the answer. Again, very important that you do PEMDAS. Do not multiply this and this together and then take it to the power of 10. You won't get the same answer. Make sure that you're doing -2 to the power of 10 and then multiplying that by 4. Okay? So again, as you can see, the values are different every time. So it's negative, positive, et cetera, et cetera. This is going to follow the same pattern of that to make this positive. And if I did the value up, that makes the value going to be negative. Okay, so see that and you go through it. Okay, so geometric sequence, pretty easy to do. You'll have a couple problems like this to do on the test. Make sure that you're looking for the correct information. Make sure your notebook's good, and you'll be good to go.